I used to think that the worst thing in life was to end up alone. It's not. The worst thing in life is to end up with people who make you feel alone. All it takes is a beautiful fake smile to hide an injured soul, and they will never notice how broken you really are. People don't fake depression, they fake being okay. Remember that. Be kind. People think they know you. They expect you to be literally like you are on TV or in the movies, bouncing off the walls. A woman in an airport once said to me, "Be zany." People always want zany, goofy shit from me. It takes a lot of energy to do that. If you do that all the time, you'll burn out. I used to think the worst thing in life was to end up all alone. It's not. The worst thing in life is to end up with people that make you feel all alone. A friend is someone who listens to your bullshit, tells you that it is bullshit, and listens some more. I think the saddest people always try their hardest to make people happy. Because they know what it feels like to feel absolutely worthless, and they don't want anybody else to feel like that.